Before I get into this video, let me just reintroduce this project to the channel for my newer viewers and give you guys an idea of what's going on. Back in September 2020, my good buddy Aiden hit a deer on the freeway in his E28 535i. Pretty clean car, automatic trans, but you can see here the car's pretty mangled up. But fortunately the structure itself is still intact, so the damage is only cosmetic. Originally the plan was to put the car back to its original state, you know, get back to how it was, new fender, new hood, new headlights, all that good stuff. But in the next couple of days, I came across this running and driving parts car for like a very, very steal of a low price. So we went and got that car, and it came with some better parts, including a manual transmission, the Getrag 265, a very rare transmission. And also it came with an LSD and a stronger motor, all that good stuff. If you guys are more interested about the car and how we got to this point, please check out my first two videos on this project. They're from a few months ago. I'll link them in the description below. So I've been recording footage since October 2020 when the last video came out. So here's all the stuff that's happened from my perspective since then. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. It'd be pretty awesome. I make a lot of videos like this with Mercedes, BMWs, vlogs, DIYs, whatever it may be, it's all here. Alright, it's been a few days since I was last here, but as you can see, the engine's like completely stripped down. Aiden's completely stripped this down. He's repainted a lot of things, like the alternator. No more red ugly stuff.
No more red. I told you guys about the red.
Anyways, he has a new thermostat. He bought like new everything for this motor. It's going to be basically perfect for the time it's ready to get in the car. All the pulleys like this nice gray. Kind of like a Nardo almost. Looks really nice. But yeah, he also painted the valve cover, which is hard to tell right now, but it's this really nice dark blue. And the intake manifold, that same kind of gray color. Did you make a sandwich?
Do my thing.
Oh yeah?
2 weeks later.
Alright, so it's been a couple weeks.
Hey.
The motor's back together, like completely, right? Basically.
Oh yeah, ready? I can turn it over. No, I can't.
No. It's pretty.
It is freaking nice.
Well, look at that. Got the silver BMW logo.
Many months later.
Alright, so we're at Aiden's house. It is March 2021. The pilot looks okay right now, oh!
It's like way more messed up than we thought it was. The whole subframe is shifted a little up to the right. And the rack and pinion got a little...
This is the second car Aiden has now hit in this very same area. Alright, so several months later, the body is actually back intact. Aiden's actually painted it up. Got some new, what is it called again? Dynamite, I don't know. Heat like, shielding, insulation, whatever.
It's like off-brand dynamite. Same stuff. I looked at the ingredients.
Transmission's over there. You put new seals in that, right?
Yes, all done.
New seals there.
Actually, look.
Transmission there, or that's the engine. That's not the transmission. No. We have two diffs over here, right? Yeah. What does that one do? Oh, open diff? What about this one? Huh? LSD. No way. Nice and clear skies over the... Nope.
It's so pretty out.
No, just kidding.
Oh, Aiden, you totally pogged on the pilot, bro.
Oh yeah, it's total.
He ruined it. Yeah, he ruined it.
You're not gonna fix this.
Another day of not getting the engine in the car, but here's Nathan's F80, and here's my E29. So on this day, we had like everyone over to work on this car. We wanted the engine so badly, so we kind of did actually. The problem we were facing earlier was mating the trans to the actual motor, you guys can see here. Aiden was really smart and didn't use a clutch alignment tool that fit the car, so we had to make one using a socket and some electrical tape, and we were on our way after that. Got the trans bolted up, no problem. After it was fully aligned properly, pressure plate was torqued properly with red Loctite and all that good stuff, and the engine went back in the car, and without really much of an issue, to be honest.
Oh wow.
Yeah. 5 viewers? 8 viewers. Nice.
You'll see we're all wearing these like safety visibility jackets or whatever. I don't know why we're really wearing them. I think one of our buddies just brought them by. He just bought them for whatever reason, and he had the perfect amount for this, so we're all wearing them, and we got the engines, you guys can see. We actually live streamed it too on Aiden's TikTok and my Instagram live as well. And yeah, the engine was back in the car, mounts all bolted up. It was good to go.
Nothing. You like that?
All right, so we're back, and
Oh god.
it's really like Loki, isn't it? Aiden realized later that there was no O2 sensor plugged in, so it's probably running rich right now. It kind of looks like oil burning, but didn't really smell like it, so I think it's fuel. Alright. We about to bleed the clutch, yeah?
Yay!
Bleed the clutch, bleed the clutch. Look at this, engine bay. Oh, it's all here. Wow.
And the whole car.
Yeah, the whole car.
Do the rest in like a white marker instead on the black paint.
That'd actually be sick.
You hear it popping? Like,
She's in gear. She's in gear.
Oh, I'm glad. Look at that perfect fill line.
Oh, look at that.
The fact you can see the fluid in there.
I know, fresh reservoir.
Kind of mad.
Set it to W for Wumbo. Alright, so Aiden is tightening up the little half shad bolts over there. And I'm holding the wheel in place with my feet, which is great.
All right, give it a little loosey.
Alright.
Ooh. Oh God. I was kidding.
It's in the way. Yeah. Just shove it in, yeah.
That's so lame.
I don't know why this took so long. Really don't know why. Just so many threads for some reason.
Can't mess this up.
All the dirty fingers.
Don't talk to me about it. Yes, sir.
You have to push it hard, remember? Yeah, like that.
Hey!
Yeah, yeah. Will he find gear one? Holy that sounds
Dirty, bro. Oh my god, that's so sick.
it smells like a tractor.
Well, guys, here it is. It's finally running and driving. Needs a little bit of work, as you guys can tell, but this is a huge step for Aiden, and I'm really glad this car's made it this far. More videos to come in the future.
Holy shit.
How does it drive?